Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share this recipe with you. We're gonna use 2 eggs and 2 handfuls of baby spinach and lettuce mix. You can use any type of green you like, but I think this one works the best. So in the NutriBullet, all right, we're gonna start with 2 eggs, and these are whole eggs. Reason being is it gives you a healthy fat, and also on Optavia, you can have 3 whole eggs once a week as your lean. If you're following keto, then this should be just a no-brainer for you. If you're on Weight Watchers, I believe eggs are 0 points. So again, this is another recipe that works across the board for all meal plans. All right, so the 2 eggs are in. I'm gonna stuff in my baby greens, and that is all you need to do. You don't have to add extra water. You don't have to add any flour. You don't have to add any cheese. It's absolutely the perfect recipe, guys. When can you have a wrap without Parmesan cheese, without almond flour? This is how you're gonna do it. This is how you're gonna keep your carbs down. If you're sensitive to dairy like I am, you don't want all that cheese in there. It's just the perfect recipe. And you can make these ahead of time and freeze them. All right, so here we go. I'm going over to the NutriBullet. I'm trying to zoom in for you to make sure that you can see this properly. And I'm shaking it up just a little bit. And as you'll see, the NutriBullet is literally the best tool for this. Watch this thing go down. I have it in fast motion, but this should go for about 45 seconds because you want the batter to be thin and not too thick. All right, so moving on to the stove, we have a skillet that I'm going to spray with olive oil cooking spray. And as you can see, I really get the pan coated well with the spray because I don't want anything to stick. We don't want our wrap broken in half. So I'm feeling the temperature. It's feeling nice and warm, and I am ready to pour the batter. And as you can see, I like to do it in a spiral formation. I feel like this spreads it out the most even way possible in the pan. And once it's in there, I just turn the flame down just a little bit if it's too high, but I had it set pretty well today. And I just let it cook on low to medium, depending upon how your stove is, how the heat works. So as you can see by this clip, the bubbles are starting to form, similar to a pancake. You know how you wait for the bubbles to start to show? That's how you know it's cooking. So because this pan is so large and the sides are a little bit rounded, I like to take the spatula and just pull back a little bit just to make sure that nothing is sticking. In the next clip that's coming up right about now, you can see I'm getting ready to flip it, and you may have to use a hand just to help grasp it, but look how nice and thin this is, just like a wrap, just like a regular wrap. These things, guys, are such a game changer. I can't wait for you in the comments to tell me if you've made these before, if you are going to try them, and come back. I love to hear the feedback. If you try one of my recipes, come back to the video and leave a little message as to how you enjoyed it, or you hated it, or what your opinion was. All right, so now let me show you what it looks like in the plate. You can see it's definitely got a little bit of a weird consistency, but I'm gonna tell you this, you will not taste egg whatsoever, and you will barely taste the vegetables. It's very strange. It kind of has not much of a flavor. In this, I'm adding 3 olives as an optional snack or part of a healthy fat. And I have half a can of tuna and 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. I know this is a little bit more fat than I should be having for the day, but it's not gonna kill you, considering the carbs and the sugar are the things that kill you. So here I am wrapping up my tuna, and this entire wrap that we're making with the 2 eggs and the vegetables, I would consider this 3/4 of your lean, and I would consider this about 1 or 2 greens, depending upon how much you use. The tuna is added protein, so fill it with what you will. And there it is, guys. Look at this beautiful wrap. You could stuff it with anything. Turkey breast, you could put just cream cheese on it. You could do anything with it. Egg salad, fish, you can make taco wraps. I mean, there's just so much you could do with it. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I want to keep making across the board plan recipes. I think it's important because a lot of us and a lot of you guys out there that come to my channel, not everybody's on Optavia, not everybody's doing keto or Weight Watchers. So enjoy my videos, thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.